Hi! In front of me is Nokia X30 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Nokia smartphone. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Now tap on Allow and Allow while using in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and select Home button. Then go into Settings. In Settings, you need to choose Apps section and tap on Default Apps. Then click on Home app, tap on iOS Launcher, and click on Got it! As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Nokia smartphone. But you can always switch between your layouts by accessing exactly the same settings and tapping on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!